So yeah, this is the part right here. Auto orders. It popped up again. I had it where it wasn't. It popped up again. I don't know why it does that. That is so. I don't know. It's been a frustrating thing for like 2 weeks now. Going on 2 weeks. I haven't figured out why this pops up. I've tried everything that they asked me to do, and still happens. I don't know. I tried changing the password. Then so is this when you hover over here, see how like it does that, and then please, and it says it's please handle and reactivate your account at settings. I don't know if I have to put another 2FA code. I may have to do that. Maybe I'll try doing that again to see if that works. But my thing is, this something shouldn't be this difficult. Like a platform shouldn't be this difficult where you have to continue to go to customer service every day to ask what's going on. That's why it makes me, I don't know, it makes me not want to be, be a part of the YABALLE. I don't know. I was doing Auto DS, but you said YABALLE is better, and then the other guy, he said the same thing. YABALLE is better because of the shipping, something about the shipping process or whatever. But this been an issue, and I don't know why. So anyway, like this is what you do. You go to Help Center. You go to Help Center, and then it'll lead you to this. Then you just type in auto orders. You just can put auto, and it should pop up, and then that pops up, and then you just click on here, and it gives you the directions. Oh, you know what? Wait, not auto orders. Auto order errors. Auto order errors. Yeah, right there. My bad. Then it leads you to this auto orders errors guide. And you click on that, and then it gives you like all the directions and stuff on what to do. With the auto order. So maybe you can read through it, and maybe you can figure it out. And then maybe you can since you're up around the time that they're open, you can ask them why is the account not being able to fulfill orders? Why is it continuing to be auto errors? Like, just tell them the situation and see what they say. Every time I ask them, they always leave. Well, in the beginning, they would lead me to this page to read it, and I've read it, and I've read it, and I've read it over and over and over and over and over, many times, for hours on end, trying to figure it out, and I still haven't come into a solution to why it's doing that. And it's becoming really frustrating. It's like it shouldn't be this hard. It shouldn't be something that's a platform that should be able to help you. It shouldn't be this hard to get this going. I don't understand. Really, really frustrating me. So yeah. Okay, so hopefully you can help with this. Let me know if you can get back to me when you read it. When you go in when you're up, because you're up during the time that they're up. So let me know. Hopefully you can figure something out. You guys can work together. Otherwise, I'll probably have to just discontinue this platform, man, because it's becoming really frustrating. Not to be able, I'm paying for a service. I'm paying for auto credits, and I'm not able to use them. I got a membership. I'm not able to. I mean, it doesn't make sense. So Yeah, if nothing don't change, if I don't get this figured out by next week, then I'm definitely I'm leaving. I'm gonna deactivate my account with YABALLE for sure, and I'm not gonna do it because it's too frustrating. Like to even try, after all this time. So hopefully by next week things get figured out, and then we can be able to order things automatically. After next week, that's it, because that'd be like 3 weeks of doing this. So, all right. So hopefully you can figure it out, and all right. Talk to you later.